Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Virgilia Vicaro Food Creations. For today's vlog, what I'm going to share you is I will make a simple breakfast recipe with only 3 ingredients, but it's really mouth-watering. Okay? And make your breakfast satisfied. Okay, I will show you my ingredients we are needed for breakfast. So the sliced bread, of course, but you need to cut into half. This one. And the mozzarella cheese. And of course, the eggs. These are all the 3 ingredients that we're going to use for my simple breakfast recipe. Okay, now let's cook. Now guys, we will put the flame on from low to medium. And after that, if you know that I'm not sure that the pan is already warm or perfectly hot, you can drop enough oil to cook the egg and then let's wait for seconds. Waiting the oil to be warm, we will beat the egg. Now the oil is already hot. We will drop the beaten egg. And put the 2 pieces of sliced bread. Kids really love this. You know guys, let's put it together. Alright, don't mind it if it's broken, no problem. See, the cheese is coming, and again you can flip it like this. Perfect for breakfast. This is very easy and delicious. In less than 10 minutes, you have your own breakfast recipe. finished product of our eggs cheesy sandwich recipe for breakfast. So the cheese is really melting, and it's good for coffee or chocolate drinks or traditional. Now guys, this is different way also of making egg sandwich cheesy recipe. Again, now we're going to twist in the other side. Okay. And this is the time we're going to add also the cheese. You can do which one you want. This is now guys the finished product of my simple hack for breakfast recipe. Cheesy egg sandwich. Quick and easy. Good for coffee, chocolate drinks. Okay guys, thank you. I hope you enjoy watching and try this. Kids, they really love it. Okay, bye. Have a nice weekend everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Virgilia Vicaro Food Creations. God bless.